We have magic power. My brother, who's an electrician, came over this morning and we have been digging through gardens, pulling out wires. There were originally 30 years ago a whole bunch of garden lights and stuff throughout the garden, which were wired a little bit dodgy, raw wiring everywhere, lucky mostly 12 volts. And so we disconnected a lot of that. But also we had to disconnect power to a shed, which is, I don't know if you can see it, not that one, that one, because we're about to excavate all behind here and move this shed. And they won't excavate until all the wires have been disconnected. So we went on a bit of a hunt. So all this wiring was running through a metal pipe. Yep, I know. And it went all along here, not even under the surface, and in a tiny little hole over there, and put power into this shed. This was buried all through the garden. It goes right along here and down to the side of the house. Not even this corner, but the back corner of the house for some reason. So that is all disconnected now. This is all safe to excavate and dig up, but I nearly fell down the hill. But this is where the magic power comes in. Well, what I thought was magic power, because the power to our automatic front gate was coming through this point here where the wires were coming down. They branched off a million different directions into this garden for some garden lights, a little pond which is over there, which had a pump, I assume, at some stage. But even though all of this is now switched off and none of that works anymore, and it's actually been physically cut, the electric gate was still able to be opened and closed. We spent so much time looking through all of these wires, trying to figure out where this power was coming from to make the gate still work. So much time wasted. And then somebody suggested, wouldn't the gate have a little bit of battery power and it will probably keep working for a couple of hours? And sure enough, that was the solution. So no magic power after all. All of this actually is disconnected and no longer working. But we felt pretty stupid for a while wandering around testing it all out. It is good to know that it is all safe now. There's no more fire hazard and we can safely remove all of this. So needless to say, a few hours has passed and now the gate doesn't work anymore. So all that time we spent looking for this other wire that was feeding that power supply somewhere was pointless. But at least it's all safe now and I can start hooking into the garden and just ripping out all the wiring. Like you can see, it just continues all the way along here. So a job for another day.